In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change the size of your pointer or your cursor on Windows 10. So as you can see, my cursor on Windows 10 is the regular standard one, which is the white small version of the cursor. So if you want to change this and make it a little bit bigger for any reason, what you can do is first of all come down to the taskbar, go over to Start and then click on the Settings tab. Once you click on Settings, as you can see, all the tabs for your settings are here, and the one we need in today's video will be Ease of Access, which is on the right hand side of your screen. Once you select Ease of Access, you'll be brought to this page here. So what you need to do from here is come over to the left hand side bar and find Mouse Pointer, which is right here. Click on Mouse Pointer, and as you can see at the top of this page, you can change the size of your pointer. So you can move it to whatever size you like, so 7 would be here, and you can move it all the way up until 15, and you can obviously change it back if you click on this wheel, and you can change it back to whatever size you like. So if this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video, and I'll see you in the next one.